Hello class. In this video, we'll continue play with the switch weapon function. You can switch as many weapons as you want. For example, here I press 6 key. It will show the lantern. First weapon, let's see, 7 key. Second weapon, which is a gun, 8. It would be a third weapon, 9, fourth weapon, 0, the fifth one. And I can put more if I want. Okay, so now let's take a look at the script. So this was the script we used for last class, and we only give it 2 weapons, and when we press 6, it will switch between 2. Basically what you can do is you can put more weapons here, you can duplicate this line of code here, and then you can just say if you press a key down, and then instead of go through this function, you can just copy this code to here, and delete all these. So here it will say if you press 6K, let's see, our first weapon will be activate, and the second one will be false. And then we can just duplicate this function, and then we can see if you press 7, and then the first weapon will deactivate, and the second will be activate, right? And if you want more, you can just copy this line of code here. So let's see if I give it a third weapon and a fourth weapon, and here we can just duplicate this part. And you can see if you press down the 8, okay, so here the third weapon, it will be true, right? And the second weapon will be false. So it will deactivate the second one and activate the third weapon, right? And you will also need to add it here. So right, the third weapon will be deactivated when you press the second key, same as here, right? And we'll add a fourth weapon here as well. So the third one, fourth one here, right? And fourth one in here, and fourth one in here. And then if you press the fourth key, let's see if I do 9, and then the fourth weapon will be activated, and the third one will be deactivated. Okay, so now let's talk about the concept. So basically how it works is you give it 4 weapons, right? And then when you press the first key, the first weapon will be activated, and other 3 weapons it will be deactivated. If you press the second key, the second weapon will be activated, the other weapons will be deactivated. Okay, same thing here. So we switch to the third weapon when you press the third key, and when you press the fourth key, the fourth weapon will be activated. You can change the name here, say if I do switch a lot of weapons as a script. So what you'll need to do is you'll also need to make sure the script name is pasted here. So here I use the 5 weapons, and this is how it works. So this is the final script I used for the demonstration. And then go back to Unity. So here's our first-person controller, right? And these are the 5 weapons. Let's see, the 5 weapons we would like to use for our character. First weapon here, second, third, fourth is a cube, and fifth one is the sphere. I believe is hidden, it's inside of the barrel. So we'll bring all these 5 weapons into our first-person controller and bring it under the first-person character group, and then select the first-person controller, and we'll give the script, which is the switch a lot weapons. So bring it here. Okay, so here we get the 5 options, and then you'll just have to give it one by one. Okay, fourth one, cube, fifth one, this is the sphere, and then hide all these 5 weapons. That's it, very simple. And then you just test play, and then if you hit 6 key, first weapon, 7, which is our gun, 8, which is barrel, 9 is the cube, 0 is the sphere. Okay, so this is how it works. And if you want 10 weapons, you can give it 10 weapons and with 10 different keys. All right.